In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Outlook contacts to Mozilla Thunderbird. We'll walk through Thunderbird's built-in import wizard so you can move your Outlook contacts over quickly and safely. I'll also share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect on each screen and how to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines, the application menu. Click that to open the main menu. From there, choose Tools. This is where Thunderbird groups helpful utilities, and it's the doorway to the import process we need. Next, click Import. That opens Thunderbird's import window, which guides you through bringing in data from other apps. In the import window, select Import from Outlook. This option lets Thunderbird read your Outlook profile and pull across the information you choose. If you don't see Outlook listed, make sure you're using the desktop version of Outlook on the same computer and user profile as Thunderbird, and that Outlook is installed and up to date. When you proceed, Thunderbird may ask for permission to access Outlook data. Approve that so it can continue. Click Continue, and you'll be asked what you want to import. Since we're focusing on contacts, select address books. If you only want contacts and nothing else, leave other categories unchecked so you import exactly what you need. This keeps the process fast and avoids clutter. Click Continue again to confirm your choices and move to the final step. Now click Start Import. Thunderbird will begin reading your Outlook data and copying your contacts. Depending on how many entries you have, this can take a moment, so let it finish without interrupting the app. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation. Your imported contacts will be available in Thunderbird's address book area, and they'll be ready to use for composing messages, autocomplete, and mailing lists. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. After the import, scan a few entries to make sure names, email addresses, and phone numbers look correct. If you notice duplicate contacts, you can tidy them up inside Thunderbird to keep your address book clean. And if any entry seems off, it's often due to custom fields in Outlook that don't have a perfect match in Thunderbird. Minor edits can resolve that. That's it. Your Outlook contacts are now in Mozilla Thunderbird and ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.